In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically play audio in Google Slides. If you want to add a more dynamic touch to your presentation and keep your audience engaged, this feature can really make a difference. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser and signing in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one by choosing a blank slide deck or selecting from the available templates. Now, before inserting audio, make sure your file is uploaded to Google Drive. This step is important because Google Slides only allows audio files stored in Drive to be added to your presentation. Once that's ready, open the slide where you want your audio to play. From the top menu, click on Insert, then choose Audio. A window will appear showing the audio files available in your drive. Select the one you'd like, then click Insert. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. This represents the audio you just added. To make it play automatically, click on that speaker icon to open the format options on the right-hand side of your screen. Under Audio Playback, find the option labeled Start Playing and change it to Automatically. This ensures the audio will begin as soon as the slide is displayed during your presentation. That's all it takes. Adding automatically playing audio is a quick way to make your slides more engaging and professional. Just be sure to preview your presentation ahead of time to confirm the audio runs smoothly. Try experimenting with different audio clips to see what best matches your presentation